Elevator Service Company provides the best products and the best services that our industry has to offer.
It's part of our lifestyle. It's part of our commitment. We get a lot of satisfaction out of the work we do.
My job is to make sure that the elevator goes in right and it works correctly for them and they're happy.
We get the satisfaction of helping people stay in their quote-unquote forever homes.
I talked to Steve Ross. I feel comfortable. So he paid a visit to me. He showed what he has done, different project, make me very comfortable.
So I met Stephen Roth, an elevator service company, several years ago when I needed a referral for a residential elevator for a custom home we were building. From the moment I met them, it was pretty clear we were going to work together.
The trend to home elevators became much more in vogue in the last, I'd say, 5 years. More and more builders are using either lifts, dumbwaiters, personal elevators.
We engineer the shaft. Once the shaft is done and it's sheetrocked, then we put the order in place for the elevator, and then that comes in actually in pieces. A lot of people think there's a big box coming off the truck and it goes in and they have an instant elevator. It comes in pieces. Average residential elevator takes the better part of a week to construct and install and get it running. The Lulas could be 12 days, depending on the scope of the elevator. Once it's done, built, and running, there's also a lot of electrical components, alarm components, and then if everything over the course of that time period meets our standards, we file for state inspection.
We will find the best solution for the client, and we will implement that solution with care and excellence.
There are many people today that are aging in place. They don't want to leave their homes. They want to have the opportunity to stay where they are and not spend a lot of money in just the move itself.
With proper elevator or mobility systems that we can provide, the house can actually be facilitated so that a person can not only age in their own home, they can also thrive in place.
You don't actually have to be elderly to be considered aging in place. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, whatever your age is, if you're in your forever home, you're considered aging in place.
It's quiet, it's easy to use, and it's open. You always have a view.
We've also expanded the breadth of our organization to include another company called Design Build Services.
And we specialize in renovations to the home, specifically to make the home more accessible. That would include installing our equipment, which is elevators and wheelchair lifts and also stairway chair lifts.
We also are fully licensed to perform those services, and we have individuals within our organization which have years and years and years of experience doing that type of work. We provide the best products that are available in our industry. We employ the best team players for our mechanics in the field. We do what's right.
Elevator Service Company prides itself on the fact that we treat each job individually. We treat each client as a unique person, an individual or family.
Helping people stay in their homes or their forever homes where they really want to be gives us a lot of satisfaction, makes us really happy.
Comparing to the larger companies, you're just not a name and a number. I think that's where we are different. Are there competitors in our field? Yeah, but we're pretty good at what we do.
Working with Stephen and elevator service companies is very easy, and with dealing with a lot of other vendors and subcontractors, I have to constantly deal back and forth, whether it's a phone call, an email. With Stephen, it's really, you make the one call and then they're off and running. They know what to do. We really find them to be an easy partner to work with.
We do use it. The lift gets used from week to week. We'll use it most every Sunday.
At first, everybody say, "Jack, you're overkill." Once they finish elevator, even people finish my job, the contract, the work, every day they take elevator. Do you believe it? They don't take walk stairs.
It's a piece of art as far as I'm concerned. It's a centerpiece. It's very convenient. I just enjoy getting in it and riding up and down.